Hello, it's great to meet you again on this occasion. I will discuss power tools that you must have at home. What are power tools? The definition of power tools is tools that are powered by electricity, battery, or compressed air to perform various tasks such as cutting, drilling, sanding, grinding, and shaping. Power tools are designed to make tasks easier, faster, and more efficient than manual tools. Power tools are widely used in various industries such as construction, woodworking, metalworking, automotive, and DIY projects. Some common types of power tools include drills, saws, grinders, sanders, routers, and impact wrenches. Power tools come in different sizes, shapes, and power ratings depending on the specific application and task. They can range from handheld tools to large stationary machines. Here are some of power tools that you must have at home and their functions. 1. Electric drill or hand drill. This is a common power tool used for both household and industrial purposes. An electric drill is a power tool that is used to make holes or drill into a specific object, such as wood, plywood, or walls as needed. Two. Grinder. A grinder is a power tool used to flatten surfaces, cut or shape objects, generally. Grinders are also used in the construction industry to level materials and cut ceramics, wood, and even glass. Three. Screwdriver. Screwdriver is a power tool that has the same function as a manual screwdriver. However, users do not need to use manual force, but rather the power of electricity or batteries. Usually, the direction of rotation of the cordless screwdriver can be adjusted to either clockwise tightening or counterclockwise loosening. Four. Wood planer. Wood planer is a power tool used to smooth and flatten wooden surfaces by removing small amounts of material with a rotating cutting blade. The machine consists of a flat surface, the bed where the wood is placed and passed through, and a rotating cutting head that contains the cutting blade. The cutting blade can be adjusted to remove more or less material depending on the desired outcome. The wood planer machine is commonly used in woodworking to prepare boards for building furniture, cabinetry, and other wooden structures. Five. Circular saw. Circular saw is a power tool that uses a circular-shaped blade with teeth to cut various materials such as wood, plastic, metal, and masonry. The saw's blade is attached to a motor, which spins the blade at high speeds to provide a fast and precise cut. The circular saw is versatile and can be used for a wide range of cutting applications, including ripping, cross-cutting, beveling, and plunge cutting. It is commonly used in woodworking, construction, and metalworking industries. Circular saws come in different sizes and types, including handheld and table-mounted versions, each with its own unique features and applications. Six. Router and trimmer. Router and trimmer is an electric tool used for carving, shaping, and cutting wood, plastic, and other hard materials. It works by rotating a high-speed cutting blade called a router bit. The cutting blade is mounted on the end of an electric motor and used to cut surfaces or shape edges on the desired workpiece. A router can also be used to make grooves, and recesses on the workpiece. This tool is very useful for woodworkers, furniture makers, architects, and builders. Routers are available in various sizes, types, and blade rotation speeds, and can be used on various types of materials. Seven. Random orbital sander. Random orbital sander is an electric tool used for sanding wood, metal, and other materials. It works by using a sanding disc that rotates and oscillates in random motions, giving it the ability to sand in a patternless motion, thereby avoiding swirl marks on the surface being sanded. The tool is often used for finishing and refinishing tasks, such as smoothing out rough edges or removing old paint or varnish. The random orbital sander is versatile and can be used on a variety of surfaces, from large flat panels to curved or contoured surfaces. It is a common tool used by woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts. Eight. Reciprocating saw. A reciprocating saw is a powered tool used to cut objects with a back and forth or reciprocating motion. It is usually equipped with blades of varying lengths that can be changed, making it suitable for cutting various materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and others. Reciprocating saws are often used for cutting materials that are difficult to reach with conventional cutting tools such as hand saws or rotary saws. They are also commonly used in construction, demolition, and household maintenance work. Reciprocating saws come in various types and sizes, so they can be tailored to meet specific needs and job requirements. Some reciprocating saw models are equipped with special features such as variable speed control, adjustable cutting depth, and the ability to cut at different angles. With its reciprocating motion, a reciprocating saw can cut materials quickly and efficiently without overheating like a rotary saw. Nine. Air compressor. Air compressor or compressed air machine is a machine or device used to convert atmospheric air into high-pressure air. This tool works by compressing air using electrical power, fuel, or other mechanical energy. Air compressors are widely used in various industries such as manufacturing, automotive, and construction. Some applications of air compressors include painting, grinding, cutting, drilling, cleaning, and filling high-pressure gas. Air compressors are available in various types and sizes, ranging from simple tools for household purposes to large machines for industrial purposes. Some common types of air compressors include piston compressors, rotary screw compressors, and centrifugal compressors. Those are the power tools that you must have at home. You will not depend on other people if you already have these power tools. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share for more videos.